Good morning, students. In previous class, we have learnt about digits, numbers, number names up to 100. Now, let us learn about how to write number names for above 100. Okay. Look here. This is also basic class for you. I'm explaining what we have learnt in the third class only. Okay. Look here. For example, 739 is it? 739. Here 9 is in ones place and 3 is in tens place and 7 is in hundreds place. To write number name, we have to start from hundreds place. What is the digit in hundreds place? 7. So 7 is in hundreds place. So we'll write this 700 as this. After that, for tens and ones, we will write at a time. We should not write 3 tens, 9 ones. We have to write 3 9, 39. Okay. What is the number name of this one? 739. 739. Okay. Now, expanded form. Expanded form also will write from hundreds place. What is the digit in hundreds place? Yes, 7. So 700s are 700 plus 3 is in tens place. 3 tens are 700s are 700. So I wrote here 700. 3 tens are 30. So we'll write here 30 plus 9 is in which place? Ones place. So 9 ones are 9. This is the expanded form. Already we have learnt in before class. Now one more example. Okay, look here. This is ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Will represent thousands with TH. This is a 4-digit number and this is 3-digit number. This is 4-digit number. Now, while we are writing number name, we should write from this side. Okay. I will write NN. NN means number name. Okay. You have to write completely. Number name. How many thousands are here? 9. So, N-I, N-E, 9,000. Okay. We'll write thousands separately, hundreds separately and tens and ones at a time. Okay. 9,000. How many hundreds are here? 8. So, 800. 9,800. 71. 71. 71. This is a number name. Now I will write expanded form. For expanded form, in shortcut I am writing EF. EF means expanded form. Okay. How many thousands are here? 9. So 9,000 plus how many hundreds are here? 8. So 800 plus how many tens are here? 7. 7 tens are 70 plus 1. Okay. If you don't know 9,000 means I don't know 9 into 1000 I don't know. If you don't know like that, then simply 9 after how many digits are here? 3. So you have to keep 3 zeros. Next 8 after how many digits are here? 2. So you have to keep 2 digits zeros. 7 after how many digits are here? 1. So you have to keep 1 0. Like that. Okay. This is expanded form. One more example. Number name. Ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. How many thousands are here? 8. So 8,400. 8,498. Okay. Now we will write expanded form. Expanded form. How many thousands are here? 8. So 8,000 plus 400 plus 9 tens are 90 plus 8 ones are 8. This is a number name and expanded form. We also learnt how to draw abacus also. If it is a 4-digit number, we have to take 4 sticks. Okay, this is abacus. We have to take 4 sticks. This is 1 stick, 10 stick, hundreds, and this is 1000 stick. 8, 4, 9, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9. 1, 2, 3, 4. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8. Okay, this is number name and this is expanded form. In your notes you have to write number name and expanded form. Okay, don't write NNEF. Okay, now one more example. 4040. Okay, and a number name: ones, tens, hundreds, thousands. Okay, how many thousands are here? 4. So 4,000. 4,000. How many hundreds are here? 0. So no need to write. Next, what is this number? 40. F-O-R-T-Y, 40. So many children written wrong. 40 spelling F-O-R-T-Y. Some children are writing F-O-U-R-T-Y. It is wrong. Okay, 4,040. Next, expanded form. 4 is in thousands place, so we'll write 4,000 plus 0 plus 4 tens are 40 plus 0. Okay, no need to write these zeros. 4,000 plus 40. This is the expanded form. Okay, now one more topic, it is additions. Okay, in previous class we already learned about additions, subtraction and multiplication and divisions. Okay, now let us learn once again, recall that. Okay, this is the symbol of addition, plus. Addition, this is a symbol of addition, we call it as plus. Addition means putting things together. Okay, putting things together. For example, if we have 2 sketches here and 3 sketches here, I want to add this total. I want to count total number of sketches. For that we should add this 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. 5 sketches means we are putting things together. Okay, look here. For example, 9,848 plus 2,346 is there. Now we have to add this. This is ones place and this is tens, hundreds and thousands. When we are writing additions, we should write in a straight line like this. Ones digits should be in the straight line, tens digits should be in the straight line like that. Okay, now 8 plus 6 is 8 plus 6, 14. 14 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 4 here and this 1 is taken as carry. Okay, 4 plus 4, 8. 8 plus 1 is 9. Now 8 plus 3, keep 8 in your mind and 3 on your fingers. 9, 10, 11. 11 is also 2-digit number, so we'll write this 1 here and this 1 is taken as carry. Okay, 9 plus 2 is 9 plus 2. 9, 10, 11. 11 plus 1, 12. Okay, this is addition. One more example. Always we have to do addition from ones place. Okay, from ones place we have to do 6 plus 3. Keep 6 in your mind and open your 3 fingers. 6, 7, 8, 9. 4 plus 3, 4, 5, 6, 7. 2 plus 2, 3, 4. 7 plus 1, 8. Here we took carries, here not. Okay. Next, one more example. Here 8 is there. Okay, this is ones, tens, hundreds, thousand. We will start doing addition from ones place. 3 plus 8, 8, 9, 10, 11. So 11 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 1 here, and this one is taken as carry. Next, 7 plus 0. Yes, when we add any number to 0, then we will get same number. So 7 plus 0 is 7 only. 7 plus 0 is 7 only. 7 plus 0, 7. 7 plus 1, 8. 4 plus 0, 4. 6 plus 2, 8. Okay, these are additions. Okay, next, subtractions. Already you have learned this in 3rd class. Yes. Now subtractions. This is symbol of subtraction. We call it as minus. We call it as minus. Okay. First, for example, 396 minus 243 is there. Okay. Subtraction also will do from ones place. Ones, tens, hundreds. 6 minus 3, 6. 6 is there. Minus 3 means we have to close 3 fingers. Then we will get 3. 9 minus 4. Total 9 minus 4. We will get 5. 3 minus 2. 3 minus 2. 1. 153 is the answer. This is subtraction. Okay. 9876 minus 2498. Okay, look here, we will always do subtraction from ones place. What is the digit here? 6. From 6 we cannot subtract 8. 6 fingers are here. From this we can take 8? No. So at that time we will take borrow. When we are taking borrow, we will get 10 points. It will be 6 will become 16. If it is 7 is there means it will become 17. 9 is there means 19. 8 is there means 18. Like that. Okay. 16. Here when we are giving here borrow, the 7 will become 6. Okay. If it is 6 means it will be 5. 5 is there means 4. Okay. Before number we have to write. Okay. 16 minus 8 is 8. Now from 6 we cannot subtract 9. So we will take borrow again. It will be 16. Now this 8 will become 7. 16 minus 9 is 7. 7 minus 4 is 3. And 9 minus 2 is 7. We got 7378. Okay, these here we call it as borrow, here we call it as carry. Okay, now look at one more example. 2346. Okay, here zeros are there. From 0 we cannot subtract any number. Okay, some children will write directly 0 minus 6, 6 only they will write. It's wrong. You have to take borrow from here. Here 0 only is there, so we'll take borrow from here. Here also 0 is there, so we'll take borrow from here. Okay, when we are giving here, this 8 will become 7. Okay, here we'll get 10, but we are giving here borrow 1, so it will be 9. Here also it will be 9. Here yes, we are not giving here, so it will be 10. Okay, 10 minus 6 is 4. 9 minus 4 is 5. What is 9 minus 3? 6. 7 minus 2 is 5. Therefore, we got 5654. 5654. This is subtraction. Okay, subtraction. If here zeros are there, then you have to take borrow from here. Okay, when you are taking borrow from here, here you will get 9, here also 9, here it will get 10. Okay, this is subtraction. Now let us learn about recall multiplication. Multiplications. Okay, for example, 36 into 3 is there. 36 into 3. To do multiplication, we have to get tables. Okay, 36 into 3. 3 6 is 3 6 18. Okay, 18 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 8 here, and this one taken as carry. Now 3 3s are 9. 3 3s are 9. 9 plus 1, it will be 10. Okay, this is a multiplication symbol. We call it as into. Into. Okay, now look at example 2. 729 into 2. Okay, 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 2 9s are 18. 18 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 8 here. This one is taken as carry. 2 2s are 4. 4 plus 1 is 5. 2 7s are 14. So 14. Okay, to do this problem we have to get 3 table. Here to do this problem we have to get 2 table. Okay, now look at third question. 646 into 5. Okay, 5 6 30. 30 is a 2-digit number, so we'll write 0 here. This 3 is taken as carry. 5 4s are 20. 20 plus 3 is 23. 3 is written here and 2 taken as carry. 5 6 are 30. 30 plus 2 is 32. This is 3230 is the answer. Okay, like this you have to do multiplications. Look here children, I will give 5 numbers for you. For that numbers you have to write number name and expanded form. Number name and expanded form. And I will give you 4 additions, 4 subtractions and 4 multiplications. Okay, do this as homework. Okay, look here, 5 numbers I will give. You have to write number name and expanded form, number name and expanded form, number name and expanded form, and do these additions, subtraction and multiplications. Okay, write neatly. While you are writing, write neatly. Okay, ones, tens, hundreds, thousands, write like that and write in a line. Okay, write neatly. Okay, write these questions with pen in your fairness and do the problem with pencil. Okay, క్వశ్చన్స్ మాత్రమే పెన్ తోటి రాయండి, ఆన్సర్స్ మాత్రం పెన్సిల్ తోటి రాయండి. దీనికి కూడా ఆన్సర్స్ మాత్రం పెన్సిల్ తోటి రాయాలి. ఓకేనా, థ్యాంక్ యూ.